how to mine BTC or Bitcoin on the crypto space. So in this particular tutorial right here, I will literally show you step by step on how you can use this Bitcoin app right here. And this app claims that yes, they can enable you in free Bitcoin just by using this specific app. And the best thing about this is that this particular app is on Google Play Store. So listen and listen attentively. I'm going to navigate this particular app right here and do a simulations navigation and make sure you understand everything concerning this particular Bitcoin mining app right here that is downloaded on Google Play Store. So before we literally move forward and let me show you everything in deep, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and make sure you leave a like right here on this particular video. Make sure you let me hear from you in the comment section. It's very important. Say anything in the comment section. The comment section is literally open for you. Okay, so now let's just get started so that I can actually show you everything. Put in the back of your mind that this is actually a disclaimer. I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here while using this specific app right now. So make sure you do your due diligence investigation or research before you go ahead and download this particular app right here. Okay, so this is how the app is and the main interface right here. So let me show you the app on Google Play Store right now. Take a look at it right here. Here's the particular app right here on Google Play Store. The app is titled just like this. Go ahead and search it and make sure you install it in your phone. So before you go ahead and install it, make sure you check the review about this particular app before you can make conclusion on installing the app in your phone or not. Okay, so at this particular point, you just have to go ahead and pay close attention to this particular tutorial so that you that is watching this video will be opportune to literally go ahead and mine free Bitcoin using this specific app right here that is publicly on Google Play Store. So now let me just go straight to the particular app right now and explain everything for you. Now here is the app right here. It says get free power right here. So click on this right now. I think some few ads will pop up right here, and then with that ad it will enable us to literally mine or earn some free Bitcoin right here using this app. So take a look at it. They have two options, which is free plan right here and the plan that is actively purchased by you. Okay, you can purchase the plan with basic plan at this amount and pro plan at this amount. Also ethic plan or premium plan, ultra plan, a lot of them. But I'm not advising you to put in money right here because everything that you are doing right here is risk, because I'm actually reviewing this app for you. I'm trying it out so that you guys can be aware about this app. Okay, so now this is just my first time coming across this particular app. Now go ahead and click on free plan. Free plan right here will enable you to watch ad, and then so after you have literally watched that ad, you have the full opportunity to literally in some free power right here. Okay, so now just go ahead and pay close attention to this upside where you can see 0.0000 plus some cent BTC right here, which is 0.016 BTC. Now it has started counting, and gradually you are accumulating some Bitcoin. Okay, so if you literally want to check your balance, click on this place and then go ahead and verify with your Google account, which is sign up with your Gmail address right here by clicking on sign up with Google right here. Okay, then if you want to go ahead and do your profile, click here. You also need to verify firstly just by signing in with your Google account. Okay, so now that I've literally linked my Google account to it, I just have to click on wallet right here. Take a look at my available Bitcoin balance right here. Okay, take a look at the asset. It is available right here. So I just have to go ahead and click on claim reward right now. So in this particular place, this is where you can put in the particular amount that you can literally withdraw. Then select the particular network that you want to use, paste in your Bitcoin wallet address right here. Then you click on claim reward. Okay, so in that case, you will get your money received in your Bitcoin wallet. So that is how they literally program all this process for you. Program all this process for users to use. Now go ahead and click on profile right here. This is where you can see everything in deep right now. Now that you have literally buy some free plan right here just by watching some few ads, you just have to go ahead and click on this particular place, watch some few ads again. So the more ads you literally watch right here, the more money you will be able to mine right here. So the more ads that you literally watch right here in this particular app right now, the more Bitcoin will be adding up right here. So that is that for this particular video. I will make video about this if I literally hit the minimum amount of withdrawal right here, and I will also let you guys know on this channel. So just have to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first to be notified.